Chisom!
Madam, I'm done with the work, ma.
Thank you. Ah, you did very well. Look at everywhere. My God, I'm so impressed.
Hey, thank you, ma.
Ah, that's good.
It's just to pack all these ones. Throw them down there for burning.
Yeah.
Just to pack all there for burning, we're done. Everything is finished already. Yes, ma.
Oh, it's very fine. I'm so impressed. This is your money.
Hey, thank you, ma.
Welcome.
Thank you. Oh,
yeah.
Thank you very much.
You did very well. You can have this one.
Are you also paying me?
Yes. Whoever comes to the farm also worked. Just take it for yourself.
Thank you. Thank you.
You did very well. I like
God bless you, ma.
Bless you too.
Thank you very much.
You did very well.
Thank you, ma. God bless you.
Bless you.
It's just to pack all these things now and throw them away.
Okay.
And we are done.
Alright.
Just all this one. I pack all now. We are done.
Who is that?
He's your mother. Let me help you.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You abandoned us to die, but we're still alive. Jehovah is taking good care of us. If you please take me inside.
Chisom, please. You're my children. I will explain.
Children? You call us children? You left us to die, Mama. You know how terrible Chisom's condition is, yet you left. We suffered, Mama. We suffered terribly. No brother, no sister, no father, no you. The only person who had words of hope for us was Nenuku. And she's gone. Don't you dare stand there and call us your children. We are not your children. No! Please, Mama, no. Please. Let's go. I said no! Please. Please stop. No. No, please, no.
explain everything to you. Please.
You abandoned your own children. Is it good? Is it fair? You left us with no money, no food, no communication. Is your conscience clear?
Mama, it's not fair. We've been struggling to survive in this village. Even in my condition.
I'm sorry. But I will explain it all to you, please. Chisom, Ifumaya, please come and sit down. I would have been here, but Calabar is a very far place. Amechi, who is accommodating me, had a problem. He lost so many goods. Even Victor, your brother, whom I'm struggling to keep, fell sick and he was hospitalized.
Who is Victor?
He's your brother. I will explain everything. He was hospitalized. That was why I didn't come. But very soon, you all will meet each other. I am so sorry.
Mama, I don't understand. You mean you had a son for the man you were living with?
God forbid. Victor is your blood brother. From the same father and from the same mother. You will soon meet with him. Please, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I was trying to save your brother. I'm sorry. What happened to my mother? It's okay. If I stop crying, please, I'm sorry. It's okay, please, I'm sorry. Please show me her grave. Please. let me rush and see how Victor is doing. Nobody is taking good care of him. Though I know he'll be fine. If Naya,
Mama,
take this money. Try and fix something that just send both of you for a while.
thank you so much, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
But try and get a job, okay? Something you'll be doing to get little money to keep you girls together until I come and pick you to the city.
Mama, don't worry. I'll look for a better job, but for now, let me continue with the farm work I do for people. That alone is sustaining Chisom and I.
Okay. Mama, I can't explain the pains I'm going through. Is it the headache or the eyes that always seem as if they are filled with sand?
It's okay.
Mama, you know the doctor said that there's still a chance for me to see again.
I know.
If only we can raise money for the surgery. Please, Mama.
Chisom, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Mama, don't forget to greet Victor for us and tell him we can't wait to see him.
I will.
Please, make sure you come and see us again.
I will. I promise. Because my heart is now away. So let me see the weekend first.
Okay.
Okay. Mama, bye-bye. Mama, come back quick.
I will.
Victor, do you know why I called you? Your former mistress has been bringing reports about you. Now you tell me, are you the only student in that school? Answer me before I kill you!
Male, I need money. I need money. I need to buy one or two things in school.
I'm talking to you and you're saying a different thing. Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Woman, you better talk to your son. Advise him seriously or else I will break his neck. You need to buy something.
Why are you vibrating now? Eh? Why are you vibrating? Pale, why are you?
How dare you talk to me with disrespect? I am vibrating. You mean I myself vibrating? Now, walk out of my presence. Walk out of my presence immediately. Get out of my presence. That's what I said. Walk out. Madam, you just listen to your son telling me that I am vibrating. Look at your son telling me I am vibrating. You better warn him seriously, or I will lock him up.
James, what is happening there? She says she wants to see you, sir. Okay, let her come, let her come.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
What can I do for you?
Sir, please. I came to beg for a job. I want to work in your bakery. In this bakery, sir.
Do you have an idea of how they bake bread?
No, sir. But I will learn. I will learn, sir. I want to learn.
See, we employ decent and neat girls here. Okay? What we're doing here is food. So we don't just bring in anybody from anywhere. Look at how you're looking. So I advise you to go to somewhere else, okay?
Please, sir. Let me see the manager so I can beg him myself. I'm sure you understand.
I am the manager.
Hey, please, sir. Please, sir. My dress is not dirty, sir. It's just old. Please, sir. I need the job. My sister is blind. I need to save money to pay for her surgery, sir. Please, sir.
how much do you think we are going to pay to you here? That would be enough for you to take care of your sister's eye problem.
Anything, sir. Anything you pay to me, I'll manage it. I'll save. I'll save. I just want to take care of my sister, sir.
Anything?
Anything, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Just give me the job, sir. I'll do it, sir. I'll do it well. I'll even wash my clothes, sir. Please. It's not dirty. It's just old. Please, sir. Please, I want to work, sir.
Okay, you know what will happen? Stand up. Yeah. What you do is go and come back tomorrow. I will show you what to do.
I should go and come tomorrow.
Yeah, go and come back tomorrow. Yeah.
I've gotten the job.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
So, you will let me in tomorrow?
Yes. James! Sir! Yeah, she will resume work tomorrow. Okay, if she comes, just allow her in.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. God will bless you, sir. I'll come tomorrow.
Okay.
He will let me in.
Fine, he will allow you. Okay? Ekene! Ekene! I have a problem now. Your sister's presence in this establishment is causing a distraction. And my workers' production, everything has come down. My boss ordered me not to see you anywhere around this premises.
I'm sorry, sir.
But I don't have any option than to tell you, girl, you have to look for somewhere else to work.
Hey! Hey! Sir? Please, sir. Don't be angry, sir. I will not come with her again, sir. Please, sir. It's just that I cannot leave her at home. She's blind. There's nobody to take care of her. That's why I bring her, sir.
Have this money. No, this one is for the number of days that you've worked with us.
Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Sir?
What are you... Will you take this money?
Hey! Please, sir. My sister is blind, sir. My grandmother is dead. There's nobody to take care of her.
See, my job is at stake. For God's sake, I can't please you and your sister and get fired.
No, sir. My sister is blind, sir. I will not bring her again.
James!
Sir! Hey, I'm going, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir.
James!
I'm going, sir. I'm going, sir. Please, sir.
I will help you and your blind sister and I'll lose my job.
Hey! Hey! Oh!
How long have I put you into this job?
Love it! Hello! This you! My friend! It's Daya! Love it. You forgot your friend.
How can no now? Hi! How have you been? How are you coping in this village with your sister?
My sister. God has been faithful. My sister and I are coping well, even as the odds are against us.
Yeah. How is she?
She's fine. I asked her to stay at home. Let her rest. Love it. In her child.
Naya, please don't start. Don't worry. I'm just coming back from the city. Let me get to the house. I'll come to you, eh?
Okay, my sister. Okay. Don't play tricks on me.
Trust me. I'll come. I even bought some things for you.
Hey, my sister.
Let me help you, Joe. Hey. Nana. Missed you. Chai. Let me help you. Wait.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you. Oh.
Thank you. Oh yeah.
I'll be waiting for you.
Don't worry, I'll come, eh?
Love
My regards to your sister. I'm coming.
Hey!
Understanding are you talking about? Just look at yourself. How old do you think you are? Or are you going to give me a child when you're dead? Of course you're quite aware that your mates are no longer bearing children.
Whose fault, Ikenta? Huh? Whose fault? And please don't yell at me. I am not Helen. Are you a man? Are you a man? If you are, why haven't you gotten me pregnant? You think getting a woman pregnant is chasing after other people's wives and moving from one beer parlor to another? Is that what you think?
Listen, woman. Listen and listen very, very well. I think it's high time you left this house. I've had enough of these insults of yours.
Me leave this house? I am going nowhere. After all, I left all I was doing to come and live with you. Haven't I been taking care of you since your retirement?
Have you?
I have!
Have you?
Oh yeah, but I have! You deserve the insult! After all, alcohol has taken over your body, your blood, and your veins.
Look, I have children and a wife, a lawfully wedded wife, so don't give me that trash, don't.
Wonders shall never end. See who is talking about wife and children. Do you know where your children and their mother are? Tell me, Ikenta. Do you know where they are? See your mates. See your mates. Chief Ume's daughter is married to a senator. Now he is a grandfather. Ofokansi's son is building a mansion. Where are yours? Where are yours, Ikenta? Where are yours?
So you know all these, yet you helped me destroy my own.
I did not destroy your home. You destroyed your home with your own hands. Did I ask you to send your wife packing? Eh? Answer me, Ikenta. Did I ask you to chase your children out of this house? You destroyed your home with your own hands. And let me tell you, get that at the back of your mind. I am going nowhere. I am going nowhere. Even Julius Berger Crane no fit comot me from this house. So equal like an Atiba Buaja. You hear? Foolish one.
My sister, ever since our grandmother died, things have been hard. My sister, things have been hard.
I know.
We have suffered. I'm here in the village. I'm not doing anything. Lovette, help me. Lovette, help me.
I know. You see, I work in a company as a sales girl. But I'm afraid you can't cope with the kind of work I do.
Hey, Lovette, I will cope. Lovette, I will cope. Help me. Please, I will cope. I want to take care of my sister. Please, you know her condition. I need to save enough money for her eye surgery. Meanwhile, I need to buy drugs. Lovette, because I will cope.
It's okay.
I will cope, my sister.
Go together, don't worry. But are you going to leave your sister all alone in the village?
No, I have a friend in the neighboring village. I'll take her there while I'll be in the city selling her drugs and money. Please, my sister.
It's okay.
I will cope. Help me.
Sit down. Clean your eye. Don't worry. We'll go together. Sit down. Huh? Sit down.
Thank you.
Where is she now?
She's inside.
Let's see her now.
No, take me to the city.
I said we'll go together now. Stop. Let's go and see her.
Oh, my sister, we have suffered.
Let's go and see her.
We have suffered, my sister. Thank you.
She's so...
Victor gave birth to you. You are my son. Why do you want to kill me? Gave Maggie. You suddenly stopped going to school for no just cause. Hey, Victor, Makagene. I have told you, Victor, you're no longer a kid. You're a grown-up man. Itogo. Stop mingling with all these bad boys around.
Male, slow down. You are accusing me wrongly.
Who is accusing you?
Who told you I mingle with bad boys? Okay, tell me, have you seen me with any bad boy? Have you? Don't forget I'm above 18, no.
Will you shut up? Shut up your mouth. All the bad boys in this area, they are all your friends. Have it in mind. Why I'm telling you this is, I don't have any money to bail anybody from any police station. Last week, I know how I managed to get the money to bail you due to your stupidity, beating up a girl without just a known cause.
Is that all? Thanks for your advice. But like I said before, I'm above 18. Let me talk to someone.
I said you sit down there! Victor!
I didn't play call my bed.
Victor, come back here! Now see your son. Look at him. He is now a full grown-up boy.
up now?
I say,
don't get time.
I'm market.
Market, they sell.
You sure? I got to do your parole. Later.
Bye-bye.
You're back. Welcome back. Thank God you came back early. The sun is too much.
So, you're crying again?
No, I was just a bit carried away.
Oh God. I think I asked you to rest. Who asked you to wash clothes? Your condition does not permit you to walk. Eh? Please stop washing.
No, Lillian. I won't stop. You refuse to allow me follow you to the farm. Staying idle will only worsen my condition. Please, do try to understand. You're washing. Thank you.
of you guys talk our business obviously. I think say na joke with the joke here, abi? Where that girl self? Where that girl where do that thing yesterday night? Hey! If I come there, come on, stand up! Thunder fire you. Thunder fire you. You. I did do when Mr. touch you yesterday. Where we go bring money? Where we go take the do our business? You can't do anyhow. For this business. Okay. The person where carry you come, you know tell you say this business get rules and regulations. Get us we take organize am, abi? You know tell you. Huh? Tell lady. Go, collect money. Collect money!
Okay, manager, no vex, now my sister. Now my fault, too. Now me no introduce her to now. She be newcomer for the business.
You say? What do you talk?
Now newcomer.
Say she be newcomer? Okay, you think say for your mind, you think say I show get newcomer. Person who don't go everywhere, go outside, do a show finish. If you come new place, go be newcomer. I show go somewhere. Fuck all the men finish. Come here, come another place, come talk to newcomer.
I mean they tell you about this one, she never do like that.
If I was you, as you see me stand here, the manager, this side the joke? Huh? This side the joke? Hey! Lock Lovett room. Remove the key to my office. Lovett. No! 5,000. Hey! Lovett could pay 5,000. Quick!
And then they tell this Ashawo she won't come to her. Ashawo,
hey, go sit down.
Ashawo, see Ashawo. Business I told you I do in the village is this. See all these girls? They are all on their own. They all have their own personal problems. Hey, look at this guy. Our customers. He's one of our customers. You come here to patronize us. Our own is to make them happy. Because if you don't, no money. No money, no business.
So that means that the men are going to touch me anyhow.
Yeah. Now the business be that. In fact, you have to smile at them. Make them happy. When they are happy, money will come out. If they are not happy, no money for you. See your fellow girls now. You know, see as they hustle.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, come here, do yourself. Oh. Wake up.
Thank you.
Waiting.
No. I'm ready.
Let out.
All of it is for both of you.
Hi. Thank you so much.
Lillian, how else do I show my appreciation? Who else will help me take care of my sister so well? I'm really grateful, and this is the least I can do.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Listen, I might have to hurry, so I brought some money for you too, just in case you need to buy anything. Oh?
Hey. All this for me?
Yes. All I ask is that you help me take very good care of my sister.
But I hope you're not putting your hand in anything bad.
Hey! Of course not, Banu. I told you, I'm the sales manager where I work.
Oh, Lillian, my sister will not do anything like that.
Of course you know I won't.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay.
By the feel of all those things, they are beautiful.
You're welcome, Kizzy.
Oh God. God will bless the work of your hands.
Amen.
Don't worry. Thank you. Thank you.
Now when I want fight, now I just pose like say when they go beauty pageant. Now they craze. See this one. Your mates don't graduate, go another hotel, they for mommy hotel. You graduate, you're there every day. Like go the teen, they go, you go the color your hair, they go. They go they fear your face. You know they recognize people. If I hear them.
I dey wait for you, make you come touch am. Shebi you know they fear. I go just blow you like this, you go vanish. I say you go vanish. Say this Ashawo old layer, wait on there here. You don't old. You do Ashawo, say Ashawo no favor you. Retire, you know one retire.
Agree.
Eh? Now my sister you come the envy.
See you.
Small picking like you. What did they do for hotel room? Now me say you no get papa and mama. Don't worry. Things I don't do with you. When I'm done with you, I go show you say I be small baby. I don't get your time. Make that noise here. We don't want una no get old woman picture for una palabi. See, if una run enter ground, I know all of una. I know if you want to know what you call it boy. Wait till I know say Muna go inside, bring una fine 1,000 naira. Without that, Muna no say no biz for now. No biz oh. And as I they talk and so, una go just love it. Your money na 3,000 naira. Yeah, waiting be that if Naya, your own na 3,000 naira. You, waiting be your name. Tina Banla. I know sure say they get money. Your own na 2,000 naira. You, waiting be your that's your name. Anama, see your head. Your own na 2,000 naira too. Muna just go lock on a door. Bring the key for me. I know want hear Torio. I no want hear Torio. Muna just see babe. Go buy me a bottle of Star. Add and cigar. I dey inside. Muna lock on a door. Muna give me the key. I no go repeat am again, no. Mama, I want to not the
One night aku man.
I want to tell you, son. Hustling is the game. Streets is the place. And money is the game. Confirm. So fuck business. Fuck school. We must become multi-billionaires from the street. That's the spirit.
Confirm! Oloye!
What did you do? No, having said that, this little runs was a success. So,
one man of no fair man.
Hey, anybody will talk say our water no go the ball, the stove no go light. Say amen.
One and a true talk.
Anybody will say our water no go the ball, their stove no go light. Say amen.
Amen. A true talk. Oh boy, amen. Men of God say amen. Hey, Chukwu.
Mama, why are you crying?
It's Amechi is there. Huh?
See my sister. I want to give her money for food, money for upkeep, and money for her monthly medical checkup.
So you didn't go again?
My sister, how I want to go? This customer drag you come here. This customer drag you go there. How I want to go?
You know hot cake now. But you sure don't try for your sister.
Babe, I promised my grandmother
that I was going to take the very best care of Chisom. She's all I have. What am I going to do if I don't take care of her?
You mean you take care of your younger one?
Of course. Huh.
You see, my parents died so many years ago. No one is ready to render help. And I can't watch my younger ones die. I involve myself here. I know what it costs me to make sure that they go to school. Though it is a dirty business. But what can one do?
My sister. Now only one person get power. The person there up there, you owe yam, you owe knife, you just the look us. Sister, not be only you. You know my own? You don't know my own. Everybody get their own.
Next one when I go come out.
You go see
let
Biashawo.
me enter for family.
You go see Biashawo for your next one.
I don't like this. Nah, which kind of play now?
Yes, come in. Who is that?
Good day, madam. I guess this is Victor's house.
Good day, my dear. Yes. How may I help you?
Madam, we are here to pick up your son. We are police officers from police headquarters. Your son was involved in a robbery incident that claimed the life of the naval officer and his wife.
My son?
Yes, madam. I would like you to cooperate with us. Where is your son, Victor?
I'm a poor widow that just lost her husband. Victor is my son. Honestly speaking, I don't just know why he has decided to get himself involved with all this stupid way of life. To tell you the truth, I've not set these eyes on my son for the past 1 week. I've not seen him.
Are you sure of what you're saying, madam?
Would I be lying to you at this age?
Well, we are leaving. Tell your son to report at the police station to clarify himself. Else, the law will deal with him. Have a good day, madam.
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
Where am I coming from? A friend's place.
At this hour of the night?
Man, it's late now. Let me sleep.
Which friend's house are you coming from?
You ask too many questions. Let me just sleep tomorrow.
Sit down. Sit down. Come here.
It's night.
Sit down. Victor, the police came looking for you.
The police?
They said you were involved in a robbery incident that killed a naval officer and his wife.
God forbid bad thing. Mama, I swear, Makachuku, all my life I've never seen a gun excepted when the police. You believed them? No, now. Mama, see, I need to see someone now, okay? So just... take this one. Take good care of yourself, okay? I'll see you soon.
Come and take this one. Come and take this money. What nonsense is that?
Listen, you need this money, okay? I'll see you soon.
Victor! Victor!
Let's go inside. Let us go inside.
Let's do it sharp.
I'm comfortable, please.
Nobody will catch us.
I know, but I'm not comfortable here. Let's go inside. Let's go.
What are you doing on top of You are a prostitute. A wayward person, Unique. You are a prostitute. A prostitute.
Why are you hitting the poor man? Eh? You are underperforming these days. He is doing you a favor. You should thank him. Eh? I don't know why you are hitting him.
Everybody needs a family. Everybody wants to be loved. When the home is broken, joy is destroyed. Dreams are shattered. Life is scattered. Sorrows and heartache. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses.
Special announcement. The entire family of Chief Kingsley Okafor hereby invites the general public on his installation as the Ide of Obolo Kingdom. Date is 2nd of January at his country home in Obolo Kingdom. Also, the family of Chief Raymond Okoye Agbo happily invites his friends and well-wishers on the celebration of his silver jubilee anniversary on the 11th of January. All accordingly invited.
So, Raymond is still living with his family. He wants to celebrate his silver jubilee. And I have not even seen my children. Who knows whether they're still alive? Raymond. But come to think of it, Raymond did not even ask me to throw my wife out. Do I send Unique out now? But if I do that, people will begin to see me as a madman, and I shall be left alone in this house. Thomas, I came to tidy Madame. Who knows how long I've been sharing Unique with him?
Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses when the home breaks.
I can feel your presence, Lillian. I know you're staring at me.
How do you know I'm staring at you, Chisom?
At first, I perceived your smell. Then I waited for you to say something, but you didn't. My mind tells me you're staring at me.
Oh, interesting. Now, Chisom, tell me, how does it feel to be blind? I mean, how do you know when it's day or night?
Being blind will make you sensitive to touch and feel. Your instincts will be as sharp as something next to nothing. I don't need anyone to tell me when it's day and night. Even, I know every hour that passes by, Lillian.
I'm listening. I'm all ears. I'm here, Chisom.
I know you're here. Do you know that the world we live in has no end? In fact, the end is the beginning, and the flow of the ocean is the secret of Earth's gravity.
You know I didn't go to school. How am I to understand what you're talking about?
Okay, you will understand this. Do you know that Nigeria, our country, is seriously sick and lying in coma? Everyone knows her problem, but no one is willing to give her proper treatment. Now she's lying in state, waiting to be buried, yet no one is willing to dig her grave. I wonder, Lillian, what do we really want God to do with us in this country?
You fascinate me, Chisom. Do you know I've started having stupid feelings? I feel like being blind, so that I will have as much wisdom as you do.
No, Lillian. It is not good to be blind. It's just that there's a blessing in every situation. That is why there's an iota of truth in every lie, an iota of lie in every truth. Without lie, the truth cannot be complete. And without the truth, lie cannot be complete. See, Lillian, there's ability in every disability.
Hey, look at my sister. See the way she's shining. Lillian, thank you very much. Thank you. Where would I have taken her to? Where else would I have kept her in this condition? Oh, thank you for taking very good care of my sister for me.
I thank you also for all that you have been doing for me. It is not easy, at least for someone to know that he or she has a responsibility. Now, Chisom feel no pain, no constant headache. I am so happy. I am so happy.
And this phase of blindness will soon be over.
Amen.
Because I'm already saving money for her surgery.
God will bless you, my sister.
You're welcome. Hi! See her thanking me. I even bought you a phone so that communication will be very easy between us.
Thank you, Ify. Thank you. Lillian, she bought me a phone. Look at.
It's a big phone.
Yes. Don't worry. Lillian will teach me how to receive a call when it's ringing.
No problem.
Thank you so much. In fact, this calls for celebration. Let me go to the kitchen and bring something for her.
Yeah, come back. Into your chirigi. I have told you several times not to cook Chisom.
Please help me talk to her. If you allow her, she will climb trees.
You people should just leave me. Don't you know that doing what others do will help me not to feel the pain of being blind?
You're right, my sister. But you have to be careful. You are all I've got.
I know. My still need to get you something. Just hold on. I'll be right back. Let me help her.
Of course, thank you. What am I even doing? Let me join you.
Easy, Chisom.
Easy. I know my way around. Don't worry.
Oh, Chisom, the clothes I bought for you. Hi.
Chi? It's not the key. Maybe I say customer need waiting.
Why am I trying to see whether I go answer this guy for phone? Hey, the phone I'm chatting for here.
Oh, hello girls. Well, I'm actually looking for one of the girls here. Her name is Ifnai.
Who are you and why are you looking for her?
Don't worry, we are customers. We came here for a business. Okay?
Oh, babe. No, sister. Sorry, why are you looking for her?
No problem, no problem. Actually, we actually dropped by for 1 or 2 business. That's all.
Oh, okay. Ifnaya, oh!
Please come. You have some visitors.
Young lady.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Are you Ifnaya?
Yes.
Wow. Very beautiful.
Thank you.
You're actually policemen.
We need you at the police station for some information that will help you and also help us.
No. Me?
Where are they going now? Young lady, you have the right to remain silent and follow us to the station.
Oga, no. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
I know. When you get to the station, you tell us. Hey, don't obstruct the law. Stay back. Let's go. And if you follow me, I'll arrest you also.
Don't worry. We'll follow them. I'll come see the Oga for office.
Hey, God. Lady, talk now.
What's your sister do?
I know. I won't take no. Should be all of us stay here.
What's they worry that girl safe? So you they carry wahala the waka.
You don't do. Oga manager.
I don't know. No worry. I'll go office. Go see the Oga. She will come back. Relax.
Joy in the heart, things fall apart. Everybody loses when the home breaks.
Hello, sweetie. Wait, please, can I talk to you, please?
What?
Please, I can't harm you. I don't harm people. Just come in. Just let me take a minute of your time, okay? Please don't be offended, please. I ain't seen pretty girls like you under this hot sun, okay?
Everybody loses when the home breaks. Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No joy in the heart, things fall apart. Everybody.
So, you are still denying the whole thing? Or maybe you think we are joking here?
No, sir. I'm not lying, sir. I swear, sir. I don't know anybody by the name Fred, sir. I don't know the person. I can swear by the Bible, sir.
Oh, you swear with the Bible?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so you know the Bible and you still do a show work? Eh? You know the Bible and you took an armed robber as a friend? Eh? Who there, dear? Come. So, just show her how to say the truth.
Sorry, sir. I will talk, sir.
Are you ready to talk now?
Yes, sir. Hey, I don't know anybody like that, sir. I honestly don't know anybody like that. I swear, sir. I swear by my grandmother's grave. The only reason why I'm doing what I do is because of my sister who is blind. I'm the only person who is providing for us, and that's why I'm doing this. I swear, sir. I swear to God.
You swear?
Yes, sir.
Don't you have parents?
It's a long story, sir. But I honestly swear by my grandmother's grave, sir. And the only reason I'm doing what I do is because of my sister, and I'm sure she'll be looking for me by now. She's blind.
So, you mean you don't know this armed robber friend? You don't know him?
No, sir. I don't know anybody like that, sir.
Come. Who told you that this girl is a friend to that armed robber?
Sir, it was her colleague, Tina. She told us.
Tina?
You know who is Tina?
Yes, sir. Tina and I had an argument. I mean, a quarrel some days ago. I'm sure that's why she cooked all of this up, sir.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
I swear.
You're very sure.
Sir.
Elizabeth.
Hey.
Elizabeth.
Thank you, sir.
Let me tell you, you try to go and look for something better to do for your life.
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir.
Hurry up.
My battery was down, that's why you couldn't reach me. I'll come in 3 days, Chisom. Okay. Hold on.
Hello, Chisom. Don't worry, she'll call you back. How are you? Later. Bye. What happened to you? Now you are the confine. See money now, I won't go take bail you. You want job? What, uncle? Yeah? It's where? What's going on? What is it? Where is this? Open first. Hey! Dollars! Love it. Where did you get the dollar from?
Calm down, no shouts. Calm down, let me explain. It's not a small thing though. When I left the police station, I was now trying to hustle money for your bailout. My sister. That was how I met this man with a fine car. He said he just got back from Malaysia, took me to his hotel room. I stayed with him for a few hours and I lied to him that I was staying with my parents. I want to get home, with a promise to come back. That was how I started thinking of what to do.
Okay, let me talk to you later, okay? It's like someone is on the door. Hello, is it? A minute.
It's lovely.
Lambert.
Hello.
Wow. Baby. Wow. I thought you won't come again.
No, but I told you I'll come back.
Really? Just let me all alone there. What do you have?
Okay, I'm also some snacks for myself.
Really? Wow. This cheese bun. Can I have one?
You like cheese bun?
Yeah. Thank you so much. Wow. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I love cheese.
I've got juice too.
Really?
Yeah, I've got some.
Yeah. I can check somewhere there. At our fridge. I like this.
Why don't you take a sip?
No.
You like it. It's just juice.
I'm not tasty, okay? Just keep it.
Come on. Try it. You guys can trust me.
Really? I will like it. I'm taking it because of you, okay?
Yeah.
Let me take a sip. It tastes nice. I'll keep it for me, okay?
searching for you? I hope nobody saw you. What if they go to the hotel and start searching for you?
Well, I gave him a fake name and address. I was actually coming to seek for your bailout when you came back.
Babe!
I've been paying for this room since so.
Babe!
Stop. We have to leave now.
What next?
We have to plan on what to do with our lives. No more cheap shower work, no more dollars. Ika shower go belly, what are you doing? Fast, patch!
Hello. Good day. My name is Ekenta. Please, where are the occupants of this house?
I know you. I know your name is Ekenta quite all right. Our supposed in-law. Well, there is no one inside. In fact, since Mama died, the house has been empty.
What about Mama's daughter and grandchildren?
Good morning. Good morning again. Now I know that you are just waking up from your slumber. The children you abandoned for a very long time. Oh, you have come to ask your children's keeper their whereabouts. You are just a wicked man. Very, very wicked. Well, as you can see, there is no one in the house. I don't know where they are. So, go and look for them. Idiot, stupid.
And they say not available. What's wrong with your phone?
Male, you like bugging your head unnecessarily. I'm above 18. Besides, I change SIM every week just for security reasons.
What kind of stupid security reasons? Why must you be changing your line every day? Huh? Don't you know that when I try your line and I don't get you, I get so worried?
Why must you worry about me? Am I a baby? I can take good care of myself. Like bugging your head.
Oh, let's keep one line. You be changing line anyhow. What is it? Give me the new line you have.
090.
I should have told you this a long time ago. But I was waiting for the right time. And when you are in a good mood. If not for my mother. Yes, Mama. Mama, I'm 3 weeks pregnant. Kenta's bone, but I want to abort it.
No, Mba. You don't have to do such a thing. It is a taboo. Harrow. Please, my daughter, keep it. Keep it, please. God will see you through.
Mama. Hey. Mama, after everything I've gone through from Ikenta's hand, how can you advise me to keep this pregnancy, Mama?
Keep it. You don't know what he or she will be tomorrow.
Hey.
Please keep it. Oh, keep it.
Mama.
God will see you through. Keep it. Please.
She saved your life.
So the man I've been calling father all these years is not my biological father. And I also have 2 blood sisters that I don't even know. Okay. Mama, where are they? Huh?
They're in the village.
Village? Their names?
Ifunaya and Chisom.
Ifunaya and Chisom. Wow, beautiful names. Mama, please, you need to do me this favor. I want to see them. Like, seriously, I want to see them.
We'll go.
When are we going to the village?
I say we'll go. I'll take you there.
Who is my biological father?
You see these people, I just catch up on Facebook to talk to you. And she's ready to. Who be that? Victor, na you?
Nah, guy, now what for you? You go collect am one day. You go collect am. See as you just the back for the day. You go collect am more.
Victor, why your face one day like this? What happen? I be fuck up there. No tell us say fuck up there for the business.
My male just shocked me now. She bust my head.
Say what happened now?
My male call me say I get 2 blood sisters. Blood sisters who I know now I never see. You know finish there. She still talk say my pale, no be my pale.
What?
Say my biological father na another man with day.
Wow. See. See, don't be this kind of thing bother you. Maybe why she don't want to tell you all this one. Be say you stay small, never mature. Understand? But now we be say you don't grow up now. Man, you got to chill up, man. Hi. You might be a man then. Okay? As you enter, say, I even think I work don't cast.
Relax. Why this thing will bother you too much, I beg. I go follow you, go see your sisters. So your sisters and our own sisters too. No forget.
Well, I don't understand. I don't understand. What make my biological father blank me? The man paused me all these years.
Vico, see. Tell us on how go hit money tomorrow. At least we go take good care of this your sister, so.
Victor, make this thing not chop you food for body. Cool down, huh? Don't tell you say we go follow you.
You know what? Can you just shut up? Shut up. In fact, you make more sense when you're not talking. Shut up.
Victor, this is my father's house. And that's your grandmother's grave over there.
The most important thing is I need to see Chisom and Ifunanya. I really need to see them.
Let's see if they are in the backyard. Hello. They're in the house. Let's go. It's not as if I abandoned them. I didn't. How can a mother abandon her children? You won't understand. In fact, I don't have an excuse, honestly speaking. But please, do you have their number? Or contact? Or just anything we can use and trace where they are?
Ifunanya came here last week and took Chisom with her. According to what she told me, they are now in Abuja. She also told me that Chisom will be doing her eye surgery there in Abuja.
Thank you. Listen, you will do me one favor now and my God will bless you. I need their phone numbers and contact address. Hope you have it.
Yes.
Thank you.
But my phone spoiled yesterday.
Huh?
Fell inside a bucket of water.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Okay, we can fix your phone, okay? Your SIM, where is your SIM?
I don't know where it is. I've searched for it. Can't find it.
But we can search the house now. We can search everywhere.
No, I can't see it.
Hi.
You don't know where your phone, your SIM, no clue?
Hello? Lillian. How's everything? When? No, please, Lillian, don't. Please. I'll call you back, yeah? Thank you.
What did Lillian want?
She said your mother came looking for us with some boy she called her brother.
Then tell her to give your number or Chisom's number to her.
For what?
She's your mother.
Did she call with her line?
What is going on here now? Seriously, like I care?
Ify, you need to call Lillian back. Tell her to give her our number. Besides, she might need something.
Baby girl, you mess me around.
Why are you looking at me like that? What's happened now?
Call her.
I'm not calling her. Besides, this whole cheering is for the success of your operation. Let us dance, please.
But you still need to...
I was searching something that you finally found love. Yeah.
I'm like, carry your nash, come on now.
Oh, see wahala o. Go!
See me. Oh, if liar.
I don't let that go. See. This is your party, oh. Stand up and dance.
It's true. I see that. They don't understand.
You say you want to buy another car?
Yes. The latest Honda. Must buy it.
Take it easy, my sister. When are we going to see Mama?
Chisom, I told you I'm expecting some goods. And I put in so much money into those goods. I can't leave it. You go, maybe I'll join you.
She may like to see you.
Chisom, I know she may like to see me. You go, I'll join you. Maybe on the 17th. I don't even know if she's okay.
Okay, then I will.
Alright.
Chisom, why are you not holding a stick? Do you want to wound yourself? Can you just come in? Hey! Are you seeing me? Chisom, are you seeing me? Hey! Hey! I'm sorry. What happened? Did you have a surgery or something? Sweetheart, I'm sorry. I know I've offended you and Ifunanya. Honestly speaking, I'm so sorry. Oh, just oh, please, I beg you. Biko.
It was a very difficult experience for Ifunanya and I. She suffered, Mama. She suffered a lot to see me through. But thank God that today I can see. And she's also doing very well in her business.
Oh God. I thank God Almighty for my daughter's lives. I thank God for Ifunanya. Thank God for sustaining my children. Ifunanya. I really need to see her. To beg for her forgiveness. I'm so sorry. I don't know if I should go with you to Abuja and see her. Or we should go together. Oh, I really need to see her. Your brother Victor, your kid brother, desperately want to meet both of you.
Really?
Yes.
Where is he?
He said he was going to Ghana for a business trip. But I don't know if he has gone.
Let me just have his number so I can call him.
That's better.
Okay. The number is not available.
Why?
I don't know. Let me try it again. It's still not available. Maybe he's not back yet. Just have your phone. I'll just save his number, yeah?
Okay, save it, Victor.
Okay.
Okay, we don't have the same network with Ghana, okay?
No, Mama, we don't. Let me save his number. I'll keep trying to call him. Lest I forget. Ifunanya says she'll be coming back on the 17th of this month.
17th?
Yes, we will. And in case you reach Victor before I do, just let him know that.
All of you be coming back on the 17th. Hi, Victor will be so happy. Hi. That'll be fine, 17th. Good, greater for me. Jesus. But all these chairs.
Ifunanya did.
Ifunanya?
Yes, Mama, relax. I told you she's doing so well in her business.
Hey. Ifunanya, her business.
Mama, calm down. It's so nice to have you back.
I'm also very happy. Jesus, you can see.
Yes, Mama, I can see. Thank God. God has been so faithful to us.
Listen, I'm so happy, yeah? You know why? No. I'm meeting my sisters.
Hey, for real?
I swear down.
So, what is going to happen now? Are we leaving immediately? This thing no be small thing, no. Na big celebration with this. You don't understand?
But wait. Have you seen them or what? No. Now check this out. I told you guys that I will meet my mom the moment I return from Ghana, yeah?
Yeah.
I met my mom. And she told me that they have arranged for me to meet my sisters on the 17th.
Hey, oh boy, don't be smarting, no.
And it tells you,
don't be smarting.
I'm meeting my sisters.
I believe you.
You see that your villa, eh? We go follow you enter there, go cast everywhere, man.
I swear, if you don't follow me, go make a call. Oh boy, time no day again, no. Waiting they keep this larger. Do you think so? We'll not get another one? No, are you okay? I'm talking about meeting my blood sisters. You're talking about Alaji. Alaji is a done deal. Not me plot out. You see that 2 mil? You don't drop and finish. I swear, if Alaji no pay that 2 mil, make I call.
He don't pay. I believe.
He don't pay for me.
He don't pay, my nigga.
Batman!
I believe you, man.
What's the fucking Batman? Bring more drinks, man. I'm meeting my sisters. So
oh boy, be fast. I believe you.
What is it? Are you okay?
Things is really happening these days.
Things are happening these days. What is it?
I just got a call now that if Nanyam, my classmate in primary school, died in a car accident.
Which Ifna are you talking about?
If Nanya Ikenta.
Is it the one we met at the supermarket a few days ago that you told me the father threw away and all that?
Yes, you're right.
Ah, that pretty girl. Bad news. Oh, it's really bad news.
Oh, this life is terrible. I even remember what this girl went through in the village. This is a sad news.
Sad news indeed.
Oh.
Are you not taking anything?
Please.
Oh, come on, cheer up. Okay, cheer up. Don't worry. Okay? Things happen every day. Okay? No, take something. Male! I see the hot, we don't ball it. Mama, we don't show. Male! Why you wear black and black? My fashion.
Are you back?
Good evening, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear.
Mama.
Welcome. Chisom! Chisom! Come and see your brother. My sister. Oh yes, Jesus. Wow.
Victor.
Has arrived London safely.
Really?
She called me and asked of me.
Hey, I've arrived though. I'm painting London red though. No. When she comes to London babe. I said, oh.
I just can't wait for her to get back. You know, she'll buy me jewelry,
certainly. She'll buy.
perfume.
She'll buy.
I can't wait.
She'll buy. Did you lock the back door? Did you lock the back door? Oh my God!
Oh goodness!
Why did you keep me waiting?
No, sir. My sister was already.
Confirm! Hey! Stand. Go get my brows! Let's go! I want brows! Let's go! Look at brows! Let's go!
Please don't lock the door. Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
Things didn't work out the way we planned. I wish if Naya was here for us to ask for her forgiveness. Jesus, please forgive me. I wasn't a good mother to all of you. If I didn't use my last savings to save Ifunaya's life, when your father smashed the bottle on her head, I wouldn't have been this handicapped. I'm so sorry. Jesus, please forgive me. Forgive your junior brother, please.
It's nobody's fault, Mama. Let's just accept it as one of the mysteries of life.
I need to see my father. Do you have his address?
I have his address. And the house he's living in is his permanent house. It's his house. I know he will still be there. I'll give it to you. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
Chisom, please. Chisom, please. I'm deeply sorry. Please forgive me. I promise to live the rest of my life positively. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Just be good. I'm sorry. Should I kneel for you?
No, Mama. No.
Man, your legs are beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ah, I love that one.
You like it?
I love
I got it specially for you. Oh yeah. Eat.
How did you get this kind of chicken?
I prepared it myself.
You?
For you.
Oh my God.
You like it?
Honestly, not even like. I love it.
You like it, huh? Is he a man? He's not a man. Relax.
You are a witch. You bewitched me and destroyed my family. You now sleep with my gardener every day, even in my presence. God will reward back on me. God will pay you. God will pay you, Unique. God will pay you.
Pay me for what? God will pay me. God will pay me. Pay me for what? I don't blame you. Because I gave you free and easy access to my beautiful body. Stupid man. Ashawonwoke. You cannot even perform. Can you perform? Look at him. Tonto, please come inside and tidy me. Okay? And don't forget to come with the chicken and the wine. Don't forget.
I will. If you stand up from that place, I will kill you. I will kill you, Thomas. I will kill you if you stand up.
You know it will be very bad for them to charge you for murder at this age. Because I know you will rot in jail. Yes. God in heaven will bear me witness that I am doing you a great favor. Will you drink this one? Oh, sorry. Said I should pack everything. Supposed to know that I am doing your job. I am, in fact, I'm taking your responsibility, which you supposed to compliment me. Do you pay me? You don't pay me, so leave me. Uni, I'm coming.
Everybody loses when the home breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses heart, things fall apart. Everybody loses when the home breaks. Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses when the home breaks.
My conscience has been tormenting me. How will I explain to God that I killed my own blood sister? Ifnanya, please forgive me. Ifnanya, please. Forgive me. I need rest of mind and inner peace. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Children out. You threw away your own flesh and blood, including my innocent mother. You made me kill my own flesh and blood. You made me kill Ifunanya. Look at me. I was born and bred in the street. I've been through hell because of your stupidity. Do you know what it means? Do you fucking know what it means for a son to grow without his biological father? Do you know? What did we do to you? What did we do to you? It's a sin, a big sin to make babies without making 100% sure that you will stand by them till the end. Only God knows. Only God knows what Chisom and Ifnanya went through after you sent our mother out. Only God knows.
But who are you?
White devil. Homebreaker. Clap for yourself. Mary! Hush! My father and mom were living happily till you rolled out from God knows where. Pit of hell. Hush! And destroyed everything. You spoiled everything. I have a message for you. Don't talk. I have one message for you. In your next miserable world, pray to God to give you your own husband and not destroying people's souls. Why? Father, why? I killed my blood sister. I killed my blood sister. Out of your stupidity! Because I didn't think we were all together, I should have known.
I'm sure this is late Ifnanya's house.
Yes. I hope there's no problem.
Oh, no problem. She was my friend. I just came back from abroad and I was told on her she was shot to death. Are you guys her brothers?
We are friends to the younger brother, Victor.
Oh, Victor. I see. Where is Victor?
Victor went to see an uncle.
Okay. So, please, can you tell me, how did this happen?
Sister, it's a sad story. She was in the house with her younger sister at Abuja when some guys stormed the house, carted away some valuable and money, and finally shot her to death.
Oh.
Everything is crazy.
How did you know this?
How do you mean by that? I don't get you. I've just told you all that happened. Why are you questioning me?
Sorry, it's okay. Okay. Oh. But this is too bad, too bad.
It's too bad.
Okay. I'll be on my way, okay?
That was how it happened. This life is such a mystery. She suffered so much. Yet, she didn't even enjoy not even a little time of her grace.
Okay. I've known your sister for quite a long time, Madam. It's okay, okay?
Thank you.
Just accept my sympathy. So, the guys I met yesterday, they said they're your brother's friends.
Yes, they are.
Do you know them too well? How long have they been here?
I hope there's no problem.
No, not at all.
Well, I do not know them too well. They only came back with Victor.
Okay, my dear. Please, accept my deepest sympathy, okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
I don't know where to start. Do I start from my wife, who did nothing to me? Or my children, who I abandoned because of my sheer wickedness? I didn't gain anything from the stupid life I led. Why I destroyed my marriage because of the good things of this world, which later turned to vanity. Only God knows. Helen, please, I beg you, forgive me. I know it might be too late, but I will try and make amends. Just find a place in your heart and forgive me. Please. 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 I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. It's all right. Chisom, you've grown into a beautiful lady. Only God knows how you were able to cope with your blindness all these years before you regained your sight. All I ask for is your forgiveness. Just find a place in your heart and forgive me, please.
Forgiveness, you say, Papa. But you know how we suffered. After all these years, Papa. Why?
Oh, I can't explain. It's beyond me. I don't know what happened. I can't explain. See, all I ask is for you to forgive me. If it will not be too late, I'll make restitution. Just forgive me. Please, I beg you. Please. Thank you.
Victor, a son I didn't even know I had. All I am asking for is your forgiveness. Please forgive me. Please. Like I told others, just find a place in your heart and forgive me. It wasn't all my doing. I can't explain what happened. Just forgive me, okay?
I forgive you. Thank you. Thank you. Where is Ifunaya's grave?
Basasea
first blood. Oh. How can I begin to explain to you my first blood? The one who made me a father. How can I begin to explain to you that it was I, your father, who cost you your life? I know it's too late to ask for forgiveness. Because if I were you, I will never forgive. But I will ask anyway. Please, Ifunaya, forgive me. Wherever you are, just forgive me. Forgive your broken-hearted father. I can't explain why I did what I did, but just forgive me.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sure she forgives you anywhere she is. It's alright.
It's okay. Just give me some time. Some time, let me calm down.
It's okay, let's go.
Just give me some time.
All are under arrest for the gruesome murder of Ifunanya and other criminal offenses. I will advise you keep quiet, because any word you utter will be used against you in court of law. Please, arrest them.
Everybody loses when the whole breaks. Only everybody loses.
Now move it! Move it! Move it, my friend! Move it!
Everybody loses. No joy in the heart, things fall apart. Everybody loses. losing.